Hi everyone, and welcome back. The 100 days of the DevOps with AI tools learning path journey. So I hope you have completed day 23 agenda that is about shell scripting with a debugging approach. So that was one of the important concept. So if you didn't go through that, yes, please go ahead and review this once again. That was one of the important concept which was mentioned in the day 23 agenda. Yes, in this video, we are going to discuss the day 24 agenda that is about shell scripting with real-time scenarios. Yeah, now this is the time to apply the concepts whatever we have gone through so far. Yes, this is the time to apply for the real-time. Yes, in the real time, the use cases and as per the use cases, how do we use it? All these concepts so far, and how do we implement the script? Automation scripts as a DevOps engineer. Yes, all those points we are going to look into that in this today's agenda. But before starting this agenda, if you are following the learning path journey and if you think this is very helpful to our friends and colleagues, then please like, comment, and share the video. And don't forget to subscribe for exciting content to receive the latest updates. Yeah, now let's go ahead to understand the day 24 agenda that is about shell scripting real-time scenarios. Yeah, as we are going through that 100 days of the journey, so that is zero to hero to become this on this DevOps. Yes, we are almost reached the shell script the journey. Yes, we are going to complete it with this today's agenda. That is day 24. But what are those real-time scenarios? And as a DevOps engineer, yeah, to understand it, what are the different examples that we have explained? Yes, before understanding those points, yes, if you are looking about this kind of the content and if you need it or if you feel this is going to helpful to you and if you needed this, yes, so you can enroll in our learning path, which is the instant course. This is the where live mentorship program is also available 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. The recorded classes and everyday agendas, and you will be having the projects and assignments. And once you are going through these concepts, and we have that like how to crack interview program also. So we are coming back to that. Yes, which will be helpful as to crack that interviews on this. Yes, will help you on that the process as well as yeah. The coming to this section that is about day 24 agenda. Yeah, we are going to give that some real-time scenarios. So how do we verify that the mount point, the verification says as DevOps engineer, we need to mount the storages in the real time and the infrastructure management point of view, that is AWS cloud, whenever we are using, yes, with the Terraform scripts or whenever we are using automation approaches. Yes, mount point verification, that is very, very important. Yes, how do we verify that mount point verifications and its performance and monitoring the remote server metrics? Yes, as like yes, some kind of the custom metrics, if you like to define it. Yes, how do we implement that those custom metrics using the shell scripting, and as well as verifying that the site's live status. Yes, that means the site is live or down. So if you like to know that, yes, we need to write the shell scripts or to write it and to take the log files backup and custom logging implementation. This is one more very, very important. Yes, if you are writing automation scripts, handling that the proper log levels, log messages, and as well as the printing that the proper errors. So those are all like some kind of customizations which we need to implement it. Yes, all these kind of examples that you will get it in this today's agenda. Yeah, to explain all these concepts. Yes, if you go, yeah, so here we have given this one video and as well as labs. Yeah, the video is going to have that around 2 hours this video, which will be having that with all these real-time examples and as well as those exercises, the lab guides also you will get it that. Yeah, they're very, very important. And yes, add it all these exercises. And if anyone asks you, yes, in interviews or to explore about our shell scripting knowledge, so these exercises are going to help in that. So detail it has been explained. Yes, please go ahead and try to practice all these exercises. Yeah, these are all almost like shell related activities which are completed, but it is not ended. It has been started, the shell scripting related. But yes, whenever we come back to the Terraform Ansible, then we'll come back to that some more real-time scenarios with the shell scripting to manage the platforms. Yeah, that's we'll come back to that in the project. But yes, for the timing, that's about understanding that all the shell scripting related activities. In the next agenda, we start about that cloud. Yeah, before going to start about the DevOps, yes, cloud is also one more basic pillar which we should know it as a DevOps engineer to manage that infrastructure in the cloud. Yeah, we are going to deal with that AWS. That's we'll start it in the next agenda. Yeah, that's all from this section. So I hope you enjoyed all these two learning paths so far, that is Linux and shell scripting. Thank you.